Hello. Welcome to the Sage 50 Cloud Pastel how-to video. In this video we will demonstrate the steps you need to take to resolve the error the point of sale transaction date does not fall within the financial year in Sage 50 Cloud point of sale. This error is caused by the fact that the system date does not fall within the company's financial year set up under the setup period screen. The first thing to always remember when using point of sale is that it uses the system date for document and users cannot change the document dates. So please ensure that the system date is correct. With that being said, let's move on to our next cause. Pastel has a feature to restrict users to process into a single period at a time. In simple terms, this means that the user will only be able to process to December if the current period is 10. When a new month begins, which is January in our example, users will encounter the error because the period they have access to is different to the calendar day. A supervisor needs to do a period increment by going to Change, Period Increment, then click on Process to increment the period. In our case, this will increase the current period number to 11. Alternatively, they can just change the period number manually in the current period field to what the users should have access to. This would resolve the error. The error can also happen when the processing has happened in all periods and there are no available periods to process to. In our example, when users come to work on the 1st of March, they will encounter the error because the company's financial periods only ends in February. In this case, the year-end needs to be processed in Pastel so that a new financial year is created, which will allow users to process accordingly. Supervisors can also make use of the 13th period and selecting the use last period as first period of the next year option. This will add March as a 13th period, giving the users grace time to do their year-end preparations. At the end of March, users will be forced to do a year-end in order to process to the next period, which is April. Visit Sage City in the Sage knowledge base for more information on running the year-end. Thank you for watching.